Well, hello, loves. This is Kimberly here. Welcome to A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis. Today, I am starting a series here in my kitchen, and I'm calling it the Ultimate Kitchen Organization. Now, again, this is a series. I'm going to be sharing some tips, some organizers, and things along the way that you could possibly use in your own home. So if you are interested in this series, part 1, Ultimate Kitchen Organization, just keep on watching. So in today's video, I'll take you into some of the spaces or the cabinets that I have been working on. The next video, I'll take you into a few more. And if need be, the next video, I'll take you into some more. Following that, we'll do a little spring cleaning. And then the finale, of course, we'll do some decorating. So yes, I have been on this journey since I think December, and then the holidays put me to a screeching halt. So I stopped, and then I started back in January, then I stopped again. So I'm going to share with you some of the projects that I have been working on. So here's my kitchen in its present state. All right, so you can see everything on the island. Here's my coffee bar. This cabinet here I rarely show, but that cabinet is full of dishes. All right. So I have quite a bit to do. So I'm going to take you in to a few spaces. Now for the past month, I've really been working on refreshing my cabinets as far as paint. So that's what I've really been up to. So now that I have the majority of it done, I'm not finished yet because I have to paint inside of this plate cabinet and my island. All right. But now that I am almost done, I've been going in, organizing one of our favorite spaces in our home, which is this coffee bar. All right. So I have purged quite a bit in here. I do have some mugs that's usually in here. They're actually on the coffee bar itself, on the countertop. But as you can see right here, I've placed some organizers in here to hold our to-go cups, our teas, and our extra KCups. I'm trying to kind of color coordinate this space. I'm not quite done yet because I do not want to purge my red. So this might stay as is, but we'll see. I want to do a little something here later on, but for now, it's going to stay like that. But I'm loving it so far. Now, during this series, of course, you know we will be changing out this coffee bar styling for spring. So stay tuned for that, because you know I love to style for each season. But right now, I'm going to take you into the drawer and share with you a organizer that I purchased that works so much better. So guys, I ordered a drawer organizer. I want to do something a little bit different in my coffee station as far as my K-Pods. So let me share with you what I ordered. It is a drawer K-Pod organizer. Actually, it comes with two, and I didn't realize it was this big. So I'm going to gift one of them to my brother-in-law because he loves coffee and he'll be here tomorrow. So I'll send him home with one because I do not need two of them in the drawer. So this is how the drawer looks right now. Nothing's wrong with it. I just want the K-Pods, all of my K-Pods in one area, not in my pantry, not somewhere else in a cabinet. I want them all right here. I'm going to take all of these things out and put this organizer in. And here's my drawer. Now I can fit another slender organizer back there, and if I need another one I will put one back there, but for now this works for me. All right, love it. Now the next area is an organizer I've had for about a year, and I had it in place, but never did share it. And you have seen these all over YouTube, all over Instagram, all over TikTok, all over social media, period. And I organized like my aluminum foil, my parchment paper, my plastic wrap, sandwich bags, storage bags, what have you, in this drawer right here. So I'm going to take you in and let you see what I've done with this drawer. Now I ordered these organizers that you see from Amazon, so the links will be listed below. I ordered these SpaceAid organizers. One is for storage bags, one is for wrap, that I absolutely love, and I'm placing them in a drawer on my kitchen island. Now the one for the storage bags comes in 4 pieces. The wrap comes in 1 piece, but 3 compartments. Now I was thinking about the acrylic ones because they do come in acrylic, but I think these would be better for my family. The wood look. So as you can see, I've placed them in the drawer, and I'm loving how I have this laid out, and I have room to spare. in the back and on the side. And here's how this drawer looks with my organizers for my aluminum foil, my parchment paper, and plastic. They do come with the labels, as you can see here, to place on the organizers. This is the one for the snack, sandwich, quart, and gallon storage bags. And as you can see in this drawer here, I have placed extras on the side here as well as in the back. So when these items need to be refilled, everything is right here. And I'm loving it. Now I may change something in here, but for now this will do. So right now I'm going to take you into a problem area. And I actually had this organizer for over a year. Shame on me, right? And never did do it. And my son's girlfriend came over and she's like, well, Mom, do you have some pain reliever, some ibuprofen, because I have a slight headache? I said, well, I do, but you know, you go in that cabinet, you got to be careful because something might fall out on you. It's that messy. And it's this cabinet right here. So I'm going to take you in to this one and let you see how I organized it. Stay tuned. So the organizer that I'm actually using in my medicine cabinet is a tiered spice organizer. But again, I'm using it in a different way. This is going to be perfect for this cabinet. Now, as you can see, this cabinet, it doesn't close. That's how much stuff is up here, and I'm opening it with caution. And I'm kind of embarrassed too, but it needed to be done. Look at this mess here. Oh my goodness. So I'm taking the time. I've emptied out everything in this cabinet, and I'm taking the time to clean it. And this system says it takes 11 minutes, so we'll see. I'm sharing with you all the brackets and the shelving and the different components of this organizer. So it should be easy to install. Now I'm all about working smarter and not harder, but my hubby was not home, so I did not know where his cordless drill was. So I was sweating that day just with 4 screws. But here I am installing the tiered organizer. I am loving it. Very easy to install. Sharing with you all of the medicines and different things I had in this cabinet. It was overly packed. I found empty boxes in there, expired medicine, just so much stuff in there that didn't need to be in there. I'm also placing these baskets that I found at Dollar General up top on the top shelf. I will label them later. And here is the reveal of this cabinet that I'm loving right now. I'm mad at myself. I'm kicking myself because it should have been done a very long time ago. But my grandson's medicines are in the front. My vitamins and different things are middle, and different cold medicines and different things up at the top. I even have room on the side. We have COVID test, and on the left, and then on the right I have the blood pressure monitor and have room on that side. Up top are those two baskets that's housing my Bellway products, which is perfect. Loving that. Just pull the entire basket down, get what I need out of there, and place it back up when I'm done. And this one will serve as a first aid kit with band-aids, Neosporin, different things of that nature. But I'm loving this now, and like I said, I should have done it a long time ago. Do you have a medicine cabinet in your kitchen? Let me know in the comments. I would love to know. So yes, I'm loving what I've done so far. I have much more to share with you, so stay tuned. I also want to know, do you have some areas in your kitchen that needs some loving on, little touch or two of organization? Let me know in the comments below. Next, I will take you into a few more of my cabinets here in the kitchen. I have some entertaining pieces that I probably have not laid eyes on in, well, I'm gonna say since COVID started, in 3 years, right? Also, I'm gonna take you into my plate cabinet. It's pretty much neat, but I want to do some things in there, something different. And who knows where else I will take you, right? If you are new here, welcome to the channel. I'm so glad that you are here, and I hope you decide to stay by clicking that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to ring that bell so you will be notified of everything that goes on here at A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis. I can be followed on other social media sites, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and I have an Amazon store where you can shop 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for beautiful home decor, home essentials, personal items, and more. All of those links can be found in my description box down below. And if you are a faithful and returning ABH family member, you already know how I feel about you. I love you guys so much, and I am truly blessed that you are a part of our amazing family that we have here. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video in the kitchen. Have a blessed day. Love you guys.